Hi everyone. So today I am here to talk about one of the topics you wanted me to talk about, and that is how to stay calm. So firstly, what is the opposite of calmness? I guess in modern day we can give it the terminology of being under stress. Now, whether that stress causes anger, frustration, causes you to be insecure, jealous, whatever it is basically a stressful situation where you are not able to stay centered. Now, if you think about it, underlying every, so to say, stress or stressful situation or your stressful behavior is a certain expectation of yours that doesn't get met. So, if we understand this in the language of our subconscious mind, you have a rule book that this is how it should be, this is how someone should speak to me. If I say this, then this should happen. If I deliver this, then I should get this back. And when those expectations in the rule book is matching, everything's fine. You are in integral consciousness. But when that doesn't happen, we tend to get ruffled or imbalanced, and it causes stress, or it doesn't let us be in a space of bliss, contentment, or calmness. Yeah. Now there are several methods. One is just this awareness that you are losing your center just because your expectations are not getting met, and no two people have the same rule book of their mind. Okay, when we understand the theory of mind, when we do that in radical level 1, you will begin to understand that the filter mind is unique to each one of us, and it is very difficult to match the column all the time. If that doesn't work as well, you can't really control the outside situation every time. So what can you do? Well, you can start off with something very, very simple that I can give you, and that is breath work. So the moment you find yourself in a situation where you are losing your calmness, or you're getting angry, or you're getting ruffled, you want to take a moment to do 7 cycles of detox breath, and that is breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Just keep your jaw relaxed. Give it a shot. Give these 7 cycles a shot before you lose it. Okay. Then ask yourself, what is this making you feel? So for instance, it makes you feel angry, it makes you feel insulted. Immediately after those 7 rounds of detox breath, take a moment to start affirming to yourself that my insulted feeling is my soul's love, or my anger is my soul's love. Again, say it about 7 to 11 times and see how it feels immediately. Now, of course, after that, there are deeper things you can do, is to ask yourself that why do these situations and such kind of people ruffle me, and then go deeper from there. But this is a very, very good starting point. See how you feel, share your feedback with me, and if you want, we can have a further discussion. If you have any doubts, any clarifications, reach out to us on our email, on our Insta page, Facebook, or YouTube. We're always available. You can even take a quick demo session in case you feel you want a little bit of a centering to happen for yourself. We're always available. We're always there. Yeah. Thank you so much.